Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild and elusive predator known for its strength and stealth. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as leopard, leopard, pud, leopard. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as leopard, 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 leopard. Leopards are known for their spotted coats and their remarkable ability to climb trees, often dragging their prey into the branches to keep it away from scavengers. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about leopards, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.